To use Apple Pay Add Card. Start by understanding what Apple Pay is. A contactless payment method that allows users to make payments using their Apple devices. To add a card to Apple Pay, you need an eligible Apple device, such as an iPhone or an Apple Watch, and a compatible card from a participating bank or card issuer. First, open the Wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a card. You can add a credit or debit card, or even a rewards card, as long as it is compatible with Apple Pay. Next, follow the prompts to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank or card issuer, which can be done through a text message, email, or phone call. After verifying your card, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay. Review these terms carefully before agreeing to them. Once you have added your card to Apple Pay, you can use it to make payments at participating merchants by holding your device near the contactless payment terminal and authorizing the payment with your fingerprint, face, or passcode. When to use Apple Pay Add Card is whenever you want to make a payment without having to physically use your card. This is especially useful when you are in a hurry or when you do not have your physical card with you. Additionally, using Apple Pay can be more secure than using your physical card, as your actual card number is not stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device and card information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to your bank or card issuer immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay Add Card to make convenient and secure payments.